Discover the SV Bioni SV28 spotting scope with tripod and phone adapter, offering an incredible 25x to 75x zoom with a 70mm objective lens for stunning crystal clear images even in low light. Waterproof, fog-proof, and equipped with FMC Bokeh4 optics, it's perfect for birdwatching, target shooting, or wildlife viewing. Comes with a sturdy tripod and universal phone holder. Explore the unseen today. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Goski 2060x80 spotting scope, your ultimate outdoor companion. With powerful variable zoom from 20 to 60 times, ultra-bright, fully multi-coated lenses, and a waterproof, fog-proof design, it delivers crystal-clear images in any weather. Plus, captures stunning photos with the included smartphone adapter. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Svobodny SV28 20 to 60x80 spotting scope, your perfect outdoor companion. With powerful zoom from 20 to 60 times, an 80mm objective lens, and FMC Bokeh4 prisms, it delivers bright, sharp images even in low light. Includes a tripod and smartphone adapter. Capture wildlife moments easily. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Svobodny SV401 20 to 60x80 mid-tier HD spotting scope, your perfect outdoor companion. With incredible magnification, FMC optics lens and waterproof fog-proof design, it delivers bright, crystal-clear images from up to 93 feet away. Comes with dual tripods and a soft carry case. Everything you need for bird watching, target shooting, or wildlife adventures. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Svobodny SV28 spotting scope, featuring a powerful 20 to 60 times zoom with a 60mm objective lens and high-contrast Bokeh4 FMC optics for bright, clear images even in low light. Waterproof and lightweight, it comes with a tripod, phone adapter, and carrying case. Perfect for bird watching, target shooting, or wildlife spotting. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Celestron 52252 Ultima spotting scope with a powerful 100mm objective lens and a comfortable 45-degree viewing angle. It delivers bright, sharp images, even in low light thanks to multi-coated lenses, is waterproof and sealed to prevent fogging, and includes a zoom eyepiece and T adapter for digiscoping. Perfect for nature lovers and outdoor explorers. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Hawk Nature Trek 16 to 48x65 spotting scope, perfect for outdoor adventures. With fully multi-coated optics and Bokeh4 Poro prisms, it delivers stunning, sharp images full of vibrant color and contrast. Waterproof, fog-proof, lightweight, and packed with features like a retractable sunshade and rotating tripod band, ideal for hiking, bird watching, or travel. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.